These are the river crabs on the banks of Karuvannur River of Thrissur district, Kerala. In the early morning, they are out here to hunt some food. They have to do it before the sun rises. These are freshwater crustaceans with a thick exoskeleton system. Crabs always walk sideways and are Aphrodisiac foods. These are omnivorous creatures taking almost any food, algae, fungus, and water insects. These creatures exist on Earth even before 200 million years ago, around the early Jurassic period, and evolved to this date. Usually, males have a bigger claw than the females. There are almost 850 species of freshwater crabs. Their exoskeleton is made up of almost a rare mineral named chitin.